Good morning, everyone. So you want to be a software engineer. What is Bootstrap? This is a no time wasting 5-minute video. Let's just get to it. Close this down. We're going to set a timer so we're good to go and we'll stop. All right. Anyway, let me show you what I got going on here. I'm on my master branch, and as you can see, I've got this break-even calculator. And the question is it responsive? Does it work on different size screens? Is it mobile responsive? And so I've got this extension I'll plug in that I've installed, and I'm gonna click and say simulate an iPhone, and you can see right away that that doesn't look good. And let's come back and let's simulate a small thing. And you can see right away this doesn't look good. And so let's go ahead and put in some inputs here: 500, 200. 10,000 fixed expense, or whatever, and we're just going to hit calculate. Okay, so you can see things just aren't looking good. Let's go back. Let's hide that. Let's go back to the iPhone. All right, we don't want that. And I hate that this extension disappears when I go that. Okay, so let's put it on medium. We can see that doesn't look good. Let's put it on large. That's a little bit not great at all. Okay, so what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is to build fast, responsive sites with bootstraps. And basically, it makes your website responsive to people's size. This is just the basics. There's a lot more to this, but these videos are 5 minutes, so we're sticking to the basics. And so there's this idea of a grid system. And this grid system allows you to put these breakpoints in. And how it works, our grid supports 6 responsive breakpoints. And as you can see, you can put in for extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. And it allows you to make your website responsive. Now, these videos, I'm not going to show you how to do this. My goal is for you to do go out to Bootstrap, read it, and learn it. And I'm just trying to show you what you should know as a developer or a software engineer. Now, there are other grid systems. There's Flex Grids. We'll show that video later. I'm showing you Bootstrap because I prefer Bootstrap and that's what I use, and it's easy. So let me just give you an example of what's going on here. So we'll close this down. And like I said before, if we go to small, we can see that that's real ugly. Now, what I have here is I have another branch where I've always done this because I'm trying to show this and make these videos under 5 minutes. So I added the basic breakpoints. So I'm going to go to this commit, and we just checked it out. And we can see now that that looks a lot better. You see there? And so basically what I've done is I've come into my code. I've added this Bootstrap class called container. I've added a Bootstrap class called row. And then I've put in these breakpoints. So for a small, I want to span 12 columns. For medium, I want it to span 9 columns. For large, I want it to span 7 columns, on and on and on. And if we close this div down, we also see this for the income statement part of this. So there's how much I want to span for the sizes. So now if we close this down, bring this back up, we come over to here, and if I go to my extension and I put in iPhone, you can see it looks a lot better. So let's go ahead and put something in here: 500, 200, 1,000 fixed expense, hit calculate. And you can see now it's going to be down below for an iPhone. If I come and I wish I could make this extension so it would show there. I'm sure there's a way. There it is. If I put small, now it looks decent. Now, is it perfect? Because I want some margin here, but that's not what this video is about, and I'll do that in my next video. I'll have it fixed. And so here we're coming to medium, and we can see it looks better than it did before. And of course, it looks great with extra large. So I've got about 1 more minute, and let's just close this down. Well, let's just show you. And so here's what you need to do. Go out, go to Google, type in Bootstrap. Bootstrap 5 is what I'm using. It'll give you an introduction. It'll show you all you need to know. Go to their website. You'll see it. Go out to YouTube and type in, I don't know, what is Bootstrap? Maybe I need to make that video. All right, what is Bootstrap? All kinds of free information. You want to be a software engineer? Start doing some Google and search. If you're really serious, go to Pluralsight and let's sign in. Skill flows. Bam. I'm sure I'm already signed in. Let's do a search. Bootstrap. I want to learn Bootstrap. Bootstrap 5. There it is right there. There's a whole bunch of courses here that will teach you Bootstrap fundamentals. You need to do the work and just get it done. So I want to make this video less than 5 minutes, and I think I am. So I'll talk to you later. Adios.